Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka election siteng samoy Hashela constituency kalasaki ya jingjop kupot jong ukertong ka Seng United Democratic Party uba balajit kupar senrem uba la penlim lendang dah nreo hajar arspa arfuai vote ya ki sangut ki kertong gi bayakun persyaya u ha ka jing penmenaya ka result ke balalong ha ka arfsau terik u risau arjar khat khandai uba balajit senrem ula job ya kane ke election siteng samoy dak bayok khur hado khat arhajar ar vote kat ba ka kertong Clemseng ka Kong Grace Mary Kharpuri ka balong ru ka MDC jong ka Nongsken constituency ka balawan baar ka yo tang san hajar news pa prapuway vote u kertong ka People's Democratic Front uba Mosjo Rockefeller One Sweat u balawan balai ulayo khur tang sau hajar laispa arpunyo vote u kertong ka Seng Congress uba Batang Shine Lightmon renga ulayo khur tang sihajar news pa khatsan vote u kertong ka Bharatiya Janata Party uba Joshua Wardri ulayo khur tang news pa saufu ar vote kat ba u kertong Clemseng uba Komen Lightmon ulayo khur tang saus pa saufu sau vote dagani ke jingjop ke UDP kala kiu biang ha ke jingdon ki MLA sya ka prangut bat ka bala nang penskem shushu ya ka kunhun jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka babat yo lakam sansyar ha ka jella kumban supun kan mau hang ni ka jing penlong ya kani ka election siteng samoy Hashela constituency ka dai hadian ka jing klat no jong u MLA barim u Dr. Don Kupar Roy ha ka arpu pratrek u naitung arjar khat khandai hadian ka jing nyo vote u ba balajit senrem ha ka jing kren bat kilat pathai kubor ula ai khuble ya ki pat ba ki barang don ka jing it bat ka jing shania ya ka yeng ka sem jong u bat kham tam yo khpa u Dr. Don Kupar Roy u balong u nongmi khmat jong ka Shela constituency la nyo samoy kenti.
After the compilation of all the rounds, the total number of votes polled by the different candidates are as follows. Balajit Kupar Senrem, 12,002. Batanshan Laikman Renga, 1,715. Joshua Wardri, 742. Mosjo Rock F1 Sweat, 4,327. Grace Mary Kharpuri, 5,781. Komen Lightman, 444. Nota, 188. With the approval of the General Observer, I hereby declare Balajit Kupar Senrem as the candidate elected from the 26th Shela constituency. Thank you. On the 24th day of October 2019, declared Shri Balajit Kupar Senrem of Jammu Shela Village, East Khasi Hills, sponsored by the United Democratic Party, to have been duly elected by the said constituency in a by-election to be a member of the Legislative Assembly, and that in token thereof, I have granted to him the certificate of election.
See, first of all, I'd like to thank the people from Shela constituency, especially thank the party, president of the party, the ministers. I thank the NPP and HSPDP who have contributed and helped me in this by-election. See, the people's hard work, the UDP circles from each zone, they have really contributed to my victory. Especially even when you look at the other areas, the NPP has helped me. And when you look at the other areas, they have helped me with not just canvassing, but even with the physical presence. And I can't say much at the moment. See, right now I'm very excited, enthralled. The questions you're putting on me, I don't know what to say. Okay, so give me some time. I'll answer the questions later on. Right now, I want to spend some time with my people who have really helped me in this election. See, you give me, this is the first day. I'm only elected, but a few hours. You give me some days, give me 1 month, give me 1 year. I'll try my best. And I pray and hope that with all the support I'm getting at the moment, I will continue and try to do whatever my father's left there. That's all I can say at the moment.
This is the people's love. They remember the work done by Dr. Don Pagawai. This had made him to win with a big margin. I can't say that, but a lot of hard work from the party level, high level, and even the chief minister also and his cabinet. UDP also has got its own contribution, and the MDA partner also, they have their own contribution.
If you were there in the campaign, I never stressed that but I said we'll try our best from a party, and we will see what comes forward. We will do our best.
Yeah.
We will do our best to ensure that we get a district, but right now I cannot promise something which I have not yet decided. First I have to sit in the assembly, have to discuss, then we'll say about it. I cannot, if you ask me that question, right now I can't say that I will do that. But give me some time. Let me at least learn from this. It's just day one. Give me some time, then I will see about it.
Jong ki patba jong kasyalah constituency Dr. Dot kata ke berhakmat tame ke baar pada ke dei ke jinge trelang jongi kum ka sarkar MDA datang ia keren ke bai dei bat ke NPP ke UDP bat ke HSPDP kamtam ini gini major players mo akan ke coalition government ke jinge trelang jongi collectively ke konhon kaniru kalau Arab ha yangi akan ke election ke momentum but nakaliang jong ki nongelam jong baro lightly party nila ya treshitom shisha rong si ki kendong construct jong ni constituency pelong ki jingelang roker ni constituency kaniru kalau Arab ha but basau let's say ipat ba ikwa mani ya kata jengkut tak jong Dr. Don yang marba men kini gabon di scheme ba nakaliang jong Dr. Don la produk ngorbenta bangia don kan ka sokar ke kipat ba ru ki kwa mani ya itu ki kamget bakin ya chat kan ni sakmat kan itu ki in kita ke belong incomplete nakaliang jong ke ke bayi la produk nginget ba nakaliang jong balajit maka pun jong beteng ya kam bayi Dr. Don la produk ini kita naftu kami ki factors mo pelong ini bagi new jengjob kepada belum akan ke penting belum kan ke jengjob jongi balajit upar sendram mo jengjob dan burom bat kemun beteng ya kata kam kebaik pa jungi lale mo bat ya kata legacy ya ke burom kebaik pa la yo dengan sai akan ke sarkar inyo akan ya kata ke bah mo bakarpang nang inla ban tre khamha shishu nak mentakan ke konstitusi bat kan dia hingga semua kan syong kini ki MLAs ki jongi ibadon dari sarkar dia rengkat berkini ki coalition partners begini penbetkan begini penbet langkat bagi dia